everyone, this is Mari and Jerome from the Bonsai Supply, and today you're in for a treat of positivity and bonsai cheer because we are looking back on 2021 and being grateful for what we accomplished, and also we're looking forward to 2022 manifesting those goals, those bonsai goals.
Yes, and so we asked some of our bonsai friends, which we have interviewed earlier in the year, to send us a video and tell us one thing that they are grateful for that they have accomplished in 2021 and one thing that they are looking forward to accomplishing in 2022. So let's go ahead and see what they said.
Hi Mari and Jerome, it's Nigel here. I'm looking back at the year 2021, thinking about things that I'm proud that I accomplished. And while my greenhouse here would have to be one of those things, it was given to me in spring. I disassembled it. We had to take all the panes of glass out. My wife helped, my son helped, and it was quite a project. We managed to get it all taken down without breaking any panes of glass. And then, with the help of some friends, I got it all put back up in the backyard in time for the fall weather. So it was quite an accomplishment. I was very proud and happy to get it all finished, up and running and working. And I really like it. Getting the greenhouse up and running was a big accomplishment for me in 2021. But I think both the Toronto Bonsai Society and the Kitchener-Waterloo Bonsai Society, despite all the challenges of the pandemic, they kept the clubs running, and it was fantastic. We had all kinds of events. We had auctions, we had trunk sales, we had swap meets, we had nursery crawls, all kinds of meetings on Zoom and that, and it was fantastic. So despite all, the social distancing, I think everyone in the club kind of came a little closer together. 2021 is slowly coming to an end, and soon it'll be 2022, another year to look forward in the progression of my bonsai. My channel is all about progression, showing trees over a long period of time, how they progress from seeds, cuttings, nursery stock, how they progress over time, and 2022 will be another year in the progression of my trees. I have a lot of construction projects to do in 2022. I've got to finish my plant room both indoors and out. I've got a larger greenhouse or screenhouse that I'll be putting up. I'll have plastic that rolls down when the weather gets cool. I can roll it back up in the summer, so it'll be more like an outdoor bonsai area. So that'll be a lot of fun getting all that done. I hope I get it done anyway. I generally have this list of projects I want to do every year, and if I get a third of those done, I'm doing well, usually. So yeah, it's always good to have grand plans and slowly work away at them. So I'm really looking forward to 2022.
Hey guys, Gilbert Cantu with Little Jade Bonsai here. I wanted to stop and reflect on 2021. Oh, it's definitely been a tough year, right? It was supposed to be our comeback year after COVID. Everybody was excited, like, hey, we're gonna put COVID behind us and yeah, it's gonna be an awesome year. And then, we got all kinds of crazy variants, all kinds of curveballs thrown at us. But you know what? We survived. And we're staying positive. We're trying to look towards the future. The one thing though that I am thankful for this year and because of COVID is how people resorted back to nature. People started hiking again. They started wanting to grow plants and ride bikes and grow bonsai. And so, in a sense, it's kind of a blessing that a lot of this happened because it made us love our planet even more. And I say love our planet because if we start by loving one little plant, one little tree, that's a start, right? Because Earth is our home. We are all from this Earth, and Earth is a living being, and we are all part of this living being. So in a sense, we are all connected. We are all connected. And all the people that I've met through Instagram and YouTube and Facebook, all around the world, it doesn't matter what religion we are, what race we are all bonded by our love for plants, our love for bonsai, our love for plants, our love for nature. So, hey, if we can keep that growing and we can stay positive, the future is bright. So I don't know. Here's looking at 2022, and let's continue to be positive and grow more plants, right? That's what it's all about. So anyway, thanks for watching.
Aussie Bonsai Bloke going. Anyway, here in Aussie land down under, we're being told to share our success for the year and our plans for the future. So for me, my biggest success is this Theodora cedar here, which I cut back so hard on the foliage, wide it all out, completely wide every branch, cut back the roots so hard to get it to fit into this bit of coffee rock or whatever it is, bit of coral coffee rock, I think it's coffee rock, I'm not sure, which was just a beautiful bit of rock, and the whole composition to me just looks really spot on beautiful. I'm really happy with how that one's going and super happy that it survived. So that's my biggest success. We've got another success. So I've got onto a local potter here. So rather than have your generic Chinese pots, got onto a local potter with his beautiful, beautiful pots. Luke Parsons in Adelaide. Get you another one of his pots. Look at that, beautiful pots. Really earthy, beautiful pots. Anyway, that's enough of this year. Next year, I just plan on doing more and more Australian natives in what I call this Melaleuca style. So I'll just move this one off the turntable. Pretty heavy. Put this one on the turntable. Notice the little rabbits down here. Ooh, cute little guys. Right, and I'm a bit Christmassy for this one as well. We've got the Christmas lights going. I'll give you a spin now. And maybe a spin in the dark, we'll see. So I want to do more and more of this type of style, which I'm calling the Australian Mallee style, Aussie Bonsai Bloke style. Cheers guys, have a good Christmas. Thanks for watching. Cheers for Bonsai Supply for supporting other people and getting them to do, you know, interviews and stuff on their YouTube channel. You guys are kicking big goals. So cheers, and we'll see you next time.
Alright, so that was fun to learn what our bonsai friends have been up to and what they are looking forward to next year. So it looks like they have a very busy year ahead. And now I guess it is our turn to share with you. So you go first.
Alright, so that one thing. First, we are safe and healthy, and that's the most important part of this 2021. But besides that, I have to say writing the book was a great experience, and staying married after that was actually a big accomplishment as well. So
if we can make it through this, we can make it through anything.
Yeah, and that's something else we're looking forward on 2022, definitely to have this guy in your hands and show you what we worked hard on. And next year, just keep growing with you guys and having fun.
Yeah, and I am really excited that I got to add so many new species to my collections. I mean, I added a Pyracantha to my collection, a nice wisteria, this guy right here, and so many more. Trident maple, Cuba, cypress, and many more really. And I'm really looking forward to developing these guys throughout the next year, taking them to the next level, and of course taking you guys along for the ride.
Yeah, so it sounds like 2022, we are ready for you. So we wish you have a
Happy New Year!
See you next year.
Bye.